Hello, smart people. Happy to see you. Today, Newton's third law of motion, Newton's first law of motion and second law of motion we already covered before. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Have you heard that before? That's Newton's third law of motion. But wait, let's check whether that is true or not. We are going to do a small experiment. We got a pet ball here. We got a table right here. I'm going to release this ball to the table, which means this ball going to exert a force on the table. You watch whether the table exert the same force back on the ball. That is what Newton said. Just check. It does. That's why the ball bounces. That is third law of motion of Newton. So, when two objects interact each other, the force exerted by both objects will be the same but in the opposite direction. In our experiment, ball exerted force on the table in the downward direction and the table exerts force on the ball in the upward direction. That's why it bounces. The magnitude of the force was same too from both objects. That's why the ball bounced not in the least fashion, neither in the highest fashion, but the ball bounced almost to the level where we released the ball from. That is what Newton's third law of motion. How long it took you to understand Newton's third law of motion from your physics classroom? 1 hour? 2 hours? Here I teach topics in 2 minutes.